Sharge, the company that bought us the compact and portable Sharge Disk SSD, as well as the Sharge Disk Pro Multi-Hub, is now expanding its lineup of high-powered charging accessories with this, the powerful Shargeek 300. The team at Sharge have thrown everything at this one. This power bank is special, not only because of its build, its futuristic design, or its RGB lighting. The headline feature is right in its name. The Shargeek 300 can deliver up to 300 watts of combined output across its ports. That's enough to run or charge devices that are usually off limits for power banks, including gaming laptops. As with other Sharge products, design plays a big role here. The aluminum alloy body has a silver grey finish, and not only does it feel solid in the hand, it's corrosion and scratch resistant too, and incorporates this nicely rounded design, making it comfortable to handle, yet the bottom is flat enough to sit upright on a desk without rolling around. We have a transparent section at the bottom, showing its incorporated cells, and another up top with the main internal circuit board on proud display. Talking of displays, we have this obvious feedback screen on one side, a colour display in fact, which shows real-time information such as input and output power, temperature, and remaining battery capacity. There's also built-in RGB lighting if you want an extra visual flair. With a huge 24,000 mAh capacity in those built-in cells and featuring Sharge's most advanced portable charging technology, the unit delivers up to 300 watts of total power, easily enough to charge multiple devices together, like 2 high-wattage laptops simultaneously, while still topping up a phone or another device, or you can even power your laptop, tablet, and cell phone together. To make this possible, Sharge has included a DC output port alongside more familiar USB options. The DC port can supply up to 140 watts on its own, making it suitable for a wide range of gear, from laptops and games consoles to monitors, even power tools. Alongside the DC port, the unit comes with 2 standard USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. The dual USB-C support the PD 3.1 fast charging standard and can deliver up to 140 watts each, or 240 watts combined. Ideal for professional users who need to keep their equipment fully powered while on the move, especially considering this is an airline-approved device. Just below the ports, there are 3 buttons used to navigate the menu system. Once powered, the screen, which is nice, sharp, and perfectly clear, springs to life, showing total battery capacity remaining, as well as how much power is coming in or out of the device through all its ports combined. From here, we can navigate through the menu system on the left side, where we can see more detailed information on power being consumed from each USB port, a power curve graph for each port, battery health and status for each individual cell within the power bank, and then onto settings where you can fine-tune how you like to use the system, including the screen orientation, charging limits, choosing from various RGB lighting settings, even the DC output, all handy stuff. And to top it all off, you can even power your devices while replenishing the power bank's own internal battery for uninterrupted longer usage sessions. In summary then, this is a serious power bank that's built to use not only around the home, but also for professionals on the go. Carrying a high capacity, the unit is built like a tank, yet looks stylish and futuristic at the same time. Ports are limited, but they're powerful, and can be used to charge a variety of devices thanks to that DC port. In essence then, what we have here is a well-built power bank that offers a decent combination of performance and features, with a handy screen for visual feedback. Really, what's not to like?